What if your next financial advisor isn't even human, and it's already managing billions better than the one you're paying right now? Behind the glass walls of Wall Street, AIs are learning from every trade, every crash, every boom. Systems built by BlackRock, JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, all training machines that don't just follow the market, they predict it. And here's the thing. If you think your financial advisor is safe, you're about to find out why they're not. It all started small with robo-advisors. You know, those automated investing apps like Betterment and Wealthfront. They asked you a few questions, built a portfolio, and boom, your investments were on autopilot. At first, everyone laughed. Oh, it's just a robot picking index funds. But then, AI got smart. By the mid-2020s, these platforms started using machine learning, scanning news headlines, social media sentiment, global trade data, all in real time. They weren't reacting anymore. They were anticipating. A human advisor might rebalance your portfolio a few times a year. AI does it thousands of times a second. And guess what? Investors started noticing the returns. The bots were beating the humans. Let's be honest. Human advisors are smart, but they're limited. They can handle a few hundred clients tops. AI, it can manage millions, all personalized down to the tiniest detail. Humans rely on gut instinct and experience. AI relies on every experience in history. It studies decades of stock data, interest rates, oil prices, even weather patterns and Elon Musk's tweets, and it doesn't get tired. Imagine this. Your AI advisor notices a shipping delay in Asia and instantly realizes it might hit tech stocks. Before your human advisor even reads the news, your AI has already rebalanced your portfolio. No emotion, no hesitation, just precision. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. JP Morgan's LOXM AI is executing trades faster and cheaper than any human trader. BlackRock's Aladdin system manages risk for over $20 trillion in assets. And AI hedge funds are using natural language models to scan 100 million tweets a day, predicting how markets will react before headlines even break. So yeah, the machines aren't coming. They're here. For years, people said they'd never trust a machine with their money. They wanted the human touch. But here's what changed. Investors realized they don't need empathy from their advisor. They need accuracy. And AI delivers that. No sales pressure, no commissions, no small talk, just results. So by 2030, trust won't mean having a friendly advisor in a suit. It'll mean trusting the algorithm that's never wrong twice. And honestly, that's a tough competitor. Here's what the future looks like. You open your investing app, your AI already knows your spending habits, your income, your goals, your risk tolerance, all without you saying a word. You start browsing Zillow for houses, your AI detects that and automatically shifts your portfolio into safer assets, prepping your down payment fund. You start a family, it adjusts your savings, life insurance, and education plans, all instantly, quietly, perfectly. You won't even need to ask. It'll just know. That's not science fiction. That's the next update. Now here's where it gets real. There were about 300,000 financial advisors in the US, and by 2030, half could be replaced by AI. But, and this is important, the ones who survive won't disappear. They'll evolve. The future advisor won't be crunching numbers. They'll be interpreting them. They'll use AI to do the math and focus on helping clients make emotional, human decisions about their money. Because even when AI runs everything, people still need connection. They just won't pay a premium for spreadsheets. By 2030, your bank, your broker, and your budgeting app will all be powered by connected AIs, constantly learning from global data. These systems will talk to each other, forming a living, breathing financial ecosystem. You'll have 24/7 algorithmic wealth management, instant tax optimization, auto rebalancing, and AI-driven insurance tailored to your exact lifestyle. It'll be like having a personal CFO, except it's code, and it never makes a mistake. So here's the big one. When AI can manage your wealth faster, smarter, and cheaper than any human, who will you trust with your financial future? By 2030, the best investors won't have advisors. They'll have algorithms, because the most powerful mind in finance won't have a heartbeat. It'll have a code base. If you want to stay ahead of the AI revolution and keep your money future-proof, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Would you trust an AI with your money? Because whether you're ready or not, the financial future is already here.